Hello, Yummy Mommy is back with delicious Scotch egg recipe. You start by bringing some water to a boil. Next, you add in your eggs. After that, you want to cook for 10 minutes. After this, you shake your eggs in ice cold water and keep aside. Next, you want to put all your fish seasoning in about a cup of water, bring to a boil, and then you just cook this fish for about 10 minutes. Once it's ready, you extract all the bones. Then it's time to mash that fish up until it's nice and smooth. Add in 2 raw eggs and mix everything nicely. Peel your freshly boiled eggs, and then you want to add about 1 tablespoon and a half of your fish mixture onto your eggs, and then you go in with some breadcrumbs and just roll it nicely until it's nice and smooth. Next, it's time to deep fry some delicious Scotch eggs. You just want to fry and toast until all the sides are nice and brown and your Scotch eggs are ready. I went in with some pepper sauce, and guys, this is really yummy. This is so delicious. It's amazing. I hope you try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.